How to switch accounts on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged in. Click on your settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Switch Accounts. You'll find all the accounts available. If you don't have the second account to switch, click on Add Account. After you click on Add Account, you can simply log into the account. Add your email and password and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you can repeat the same process. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Switch Accounts in here and you'll be able to see the account. Click on it and you will directly be switched to another account. This is how to switch accounts on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.